Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using brand assets in Adobe Creative Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable using brand assets in Adobe Creative Cloud, start by launching the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer. Once the app is open, sign in with your Adobe ID if you haven't already. On the main dashboard, look for the Assets tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the Assets tab to expand the options available to you. Next, locate and click on Brand Assets in the drop-down menu. If you are part of an organization, you may need to select the organizational account to access brand assets. To set up or manage your brand assets, look for the Manage Brand button. Click the Manage Brand button to open the Brand Asset Management interface. Here, you can upload your brand logos, fonts, color palettes, and other visual assets. To upload a new asset, click the Add Asset button. Select the type of asset you want to upload, like logos or color themes. Follow the prompts to upload your files from your computer. Once uploaded, you can categorize and tag your assets for easy access. Now that your assets are uploaded, you can organize them into folders if desired. To create a folder, click on the Create Folder option. Name your folder and click Create to save it. Arrange your assets by dragging and dropping them into the appropriate folders. Next, you can set permission levels for who can access these brand assets. Navigate to the Permissions section to adjust access settings. Make sure to save any changes you make to the permissions. To access your brand assets from Adobe applications, open an Adobe Creative Cloud app like Photoshop or Illustrator. In the app, locate the Libraries panel. If the Libraries panel is not visible, enable it by clicking on Window in the top menu and selecting Libraries. Once, your uploaded brand assets should appear here for easy access. You can drag and drop these assets directly into your projects. If you make updates to assets in the Creative Cloud app, remember to sync those changes across applications. Regularly manage and update your brand assets to ensure consistency and relevance. And that's how to enable and manage brand assets in Adobe Creative Cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.